Well guys, welcome back to another video. This weekend we are earning for the MDT training for the 1 Series. It's been here for around about a year and a half and we haven't had any plans for it, but we're thinking of getting rid of it, so we've came to check out the engine. As in Tullyroan, smoke everywhere and oil was all over my face, so we think we cracked the piston, so we're gonna get the car inside and get the camera in and see if the piston's cracked or anything. But yeah, I mean, also behind me I've got a very, very beautiful chaser. I mean, it doesn't look the best, it's a little bit green in some places, but I absolutely love chasers. I wanted one since I was 8, so I think that's what I'm going to get for my first car. But a 1J one is 12 grand insurance, so that's definitely, it's going to be a 1J FE, but sounds like an IS200 and no one likes the noise and everything. But yeah, let's get the car into the garage and check this baby out.
I'm not even know. I don't know, I like trying it. Look at that stuff. Where are the people like practice staying there? Where are you?
We're gonna go grab food now because I mean we literally just arrived here. Did literally nothing, but I'm not complaining. So currently we're getting the car jacked up to take the prop shaft off, and then we can lift the engine out. And while I take the prop shaft off, my dad will disconnect everything from the actual engine, and then everything should be ready to get out. Right, so while I was being lazy trying to edit the video, they've already got the front end off, so I'm gonna start taking the prop shaft off and well, the exhaust of course and gearbox, and then by the time that's done they should have everything ready to come out. Yeah, let's get it. And also, if the car isn't already sold by this video's posted, this car is for sale, so if any of you guys are interested, just drop a comment and we can get in contact. But yeah, let's get started.
Are we attempting to like no?
guys, it's the next day. Yesterday I was really tired, so I didn't really film, and there wasn't really that much to film, but we found out that we melted a piston, and to our knowledge that is it. So we swapped it and we're putting everything back on. So well, currently we just arrived, so let's go in and get everything back bolted up and in and see if she starts up. Well, that's the engine in now. It actually did not take that long, but let's see how it's going.
And you can get your head up, you know, look
getting
up
the
in the
mounts
hole
on.
to see if the holes are lined up. Nice one. I'll get you next time. Yeah, probably.
So we're getting the final pieces of the car done. So everything's getting plumbed up, as you can see here. And eventually we'll get the front end on, and we should be ready to start the engine, and hopefully everything runs smooth. I mean, we've got other things to focus on, like the two cars, which the black one is currently getting electric sorted out. The blue one is about to get stripped, and we need to come down next weekend to put a turbo in the 1 Series. So I don't know if I'll do a video on that. I mean, I might, but this video is actually coming across with our next video, which is stripping the blue M2. So that's getting it fully stripped onto the shell to get it ready for next season. So that's the engine in there. We're actually going to drop it off here, so you're not going to see too much of the engine next video. But yeah, apart from that, it has been a good weekend. We've got a lot of work done, surprisingly, but I haven't did too much. I mean, I never really do. I'm still learning, and I do little jobs. I do the jobs that are easy or no one really wants to do. So that's the ones I do, but I also do watch because I'm still learning, and I've had the years to do it, but still clearly not trusted enough. And also majority of the time there's already enough people to do it with more experience, so it's probably better off. But I mean, the next video with the M2, that's going to be quite independent, and Tom will be there for the more technical stuff. But yeah, let's get this car finished and start her up. Right, okay, I said it'd be shortly, and it's already been shortly, and I'm really bored, so I think it's best that we take a look at a couple of cars, because I mean, adds a couple of minutes onto the video and keeps me entertained. So starting off, we got the Chaser, which I should safely walk away from because I'm about to steal my dad's credit card and buy it. We'll buy one, but yeah, moving on. We got the R32 here. This thing is clean. I would love a GTR, just R33s. I couldn't care which one, but every single year they go up in price. So by the time I can afford one, it's going to be a big hole in the pocket. But yeah, I'd love, like, there's R33, R32, another R33 over there. I just absolutely love one. But yeah, this is another interesting car. This is a Nissan President. This thing is sick. Like, I mean, it's funky. I like it. It's I mean, can't complain. I've never seen one of these. I've never heard of one of them. So it's cool to see. But yeah, apart from that, if no one knows, I'm at MDT Tuning, Erdingford, owned by Steve. He was our mechanic in FD. He's built my 1 Series, my M2, and well, of course we've helped. Oh my goodness, yeah. But he was a mechanic in America along with Carrie. We had so much fun, and I mean, we are really close with Steve. I mean, I'm not saying this just because we are friends, but everything he's did for us has worked. So if you are looking at them done, you should come down to Erdingford, MTT Tuning. But if you're from the north, it's a wee bit of a trip away, but it's worth it. But that's enough bots. Let's go into the garage and see what's happening. Speedy, got the front end on now. So When's it ready to start?
Shortly.
Shortly?
Just fix the fans, oiling it, coolant, ready to rock.
Alrighty, you heard it here first, but
Don't have any other leaks going anywhere, any other leaks going anywhere, but it's a thing.
No. Have we got pressure?
Not yet.
no leaks.
We definitely don't have any leaks anywhere, do we?
No. Shoot. Hold on, Steve, a bit of an oil leak here.
Oh, okay. No, that was like that before.
Huh?
That was like that before.
No, but it's dripping. Is that fucking...
We can't get oil pressure, but for the meantime, I don't know why, but we're getting the engine out. Yeah. Good size.
1 minute.
Well guys, as you saw, the engine turns over, you know, it runs. It was an oil seal, we need to get a new one, so it wasn't that bad. So yeah, I mean, it has been a good weekend, very productive. That car's not going for sale. Well, of course we're going to test it, make sure that there's no problems, and then we're going to sell it. But yeah, this is actually the most I've ever filmed for YouTube videos, so it's going to take me forever to edit. But yeah, that's going to be the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.